The family that lives in this house here on Francis Road, they knew that they were in danger, so they moved to another part of their house before a tree came crashing in. Chainsaws and a wood chipper whittled away at a mountain of branches and pine needles left behind after strong winds blew down 2 large trees in these backyards in Wellesley. The first fell in the middle of the night.
We camped out on the opposite end of the house. Our neighbors camped out on their first floor.
Didi Marcoux says her neighbors had called for a crew to clean up the first tree, but before the crew could get here, the second tree came crashing down into her neighbor's second floor and onto a parked minivan.
The house shook. I knew immediately. I was on the phone. I hung up the phone immediately and ran because I knew my neighbors were home.
Similar scenes of trees on houses in Westboro, Northridge, and in Millis. And in Marlboro, wires sizzled on the pavement after a utility pole blew over.
That happened overnight while it was very windy.
In Boston's Longwood area, this 7-story high scaffolding collapsed in the wind next to a building that was under construction. Part of the scaffolding leaned up against an apartment building next door.
Because it was night and it was cold, people weren't anywhere near it, and so when it fell, there was nobody involved with it. So it's very fortunate nobody was hurt.
Also, nobody hurt here in Wellesley, but the family that lives here spent much of the day moving out their belongings. They'll be staying somewhere else during repairs. Live in Wellesley, David Bieniek, WCVB News Center 5.
David, thank you very much.